How to apply Sapphire. Sweep or leaf blow the area first, as it will remove loose moss, algae or fungi, and it will help remove any moisture. Apply on a bright sunny day, because Sapphire is photosensitive, and it works better when UV light is present. Sapphire is not temperature dependent, so it can be used on a cold or warm sunny day. If you have a large amount of algae or fungi, spray at a higher rate, which is 5 liters in 100 liters of water, which covers the size of a tennis court. This can be repeated in a fortnight from when first applied. Sapphire can be applied all year round, but it is most effective in autumn and spring. For the best results, apply at a higher rate with plenty of water on a dry, sunny and bright day.